G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. So I came home and I've just come down to the flow hive and I was pretty sure I was getting robbed, but now it's the flow hive, not the poly box. So what I've gone and done, I've creeped down here and I've shoved a stick into the entrance to reduce the gap the bees can get in and out of, and they might be able to defend a little bit better. It just, to me, doesn't look like an orientation flight because of the action. Bees are going in and out really quickly, and they're coming in and out of the beehive really quickly. So I might need to reduce that entrance a little bit more. But hopefully this will slow it down. Sometimes it's enough, and within just a few minutes, it's all the action starts to die down. I hope they're not getting robbed. This doesn't look like an orientation flight. It just sounds different, and looking at it's odd for an orientation flight to be this late in the evening. It's 5 o'clock. So let's see if this stick will help. See, none of the bees are staying around. An orientation flight, they'll be coming in and out, and they'll start to go up and do some figure eights. Even up above these trees here, or above these leaves just here, they orientate and then they head off. But this just doesn't look like that. Look at them pouring out. Like if I get close, you see them pouring out, and they're not swarming. Interesting. Let's see what happens.